Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I will share with you the steps I take to create each scene of my animations using CrazyTalk Animator. This is super interesting because I already have created a scene and a character and animation clips that I can use again and again as custom content. Remember, I can create this scene super quick. You will see what I mean in a second. This is the end result we will be aiming for. I hit play.
Sweet!
How easy does it sound to...
Sweet!
How...
Very, very easy, very short and quick animation. And we will be creating this. Let me create a new document. And so, let me share with you the steps I follow. The very first step I take is import the audio. For that, let me open the timeline. Then I have the project showing. I click on sound effects. And then I double click on the first frame. And from all of these files, I'm going to import the one that says scene 10A. That one.
How easy does it sound to...
Okay? And after I import my audio, the next thing I do, this is step 2. I set the duration of the scene. And for the duration, I'm going to add a little bit more than the audio. The animation will end here, but I always like to add a couple of frames about there. This is the frame, 118. So I go to project settings, then 118. Then I press OK, and that's the duration of my animation. Then on step 3, I create the scene. Now, because I used that same scene a couple of times, I created a custom content. I can just go to scene, then scene, and I have my success park. I double click on it, and I'm done. There you go. Super, super quick. And then the next thing is to import my character. And because I use that character a lot, I also created that character as custom content. I go to actor, then I go to custom, and then I click on the little brat. And I have my character, okay? And then step 5, I add the audio. Oh wait, I'm doing a mess. I'm adding a little bit of animation because I didn't make sure I was on frame 1. So let me, with that object selected, I'm going to select transform and just click and drag that keyframe to the beginning, and that's it. Okay, now I have no animation. Okay, and the next step is to add the audio for the dialogue of the character. Right now, I only have the audio of the narrator and the sound and music of the scene. Let me play it.
How easy does it sound to...
Okay, so what I need is the dialogue of this character. For that, I just go to audio and then select, instead of recording, I'm going to use my WAV file. And the one I'm looking for is scene Nicholas 10A. I open it. Wait. Make sure I'm on frame 1. Yes, I'm on frame 1. I open it.
Sweet!
How easy does it sound to...
Okay. So that was step 5, import the audio. Now, step 6 is adjust the lip sync. So I'm going to adjust the lip sync in fast forward. I already show you how to do that. Just click on face and then voice clip. And then in here, we can adjust the lip sync really quick. Just a couple of adjustments here and there. And that's it. Now let me play it. Let's see if I like it.
Sweet!
How easy...
Okay, and then make sure you end with the keyframe that says none. That way you can use the face puppet tool to affect the mouth, okay? If not, if you don't have it on none, you will override the animation with any of the other phonemes. Let me close the lip editor, and now I have the lip sync. This is step 6, okay? adjust the lip sync.
Sweet!
How easy does it sound to
Okay, very good. Then the next step is step 7, add motion clips. I'm making sure I'm not recording, okay? It's not recording, so I can move the camera freely. And the next step is to add the animation. For the animation, I just click here and I have my own custom animation, and I'm going to use Little Brat celebrating. I'm on frame 1, then double click.
Sweet!
How easy does it sound to
You see, with your own motion clips, you can do this really, really quick. That's step 7. And then on step 8, you can adjust the motion clips using the transitions, remember? And because I'm only using one, I don't need to use transitions. And then you continue with step 9, which is to adjust the body using the 2D motion key editor. Right now, I'm satisfied with this. It fits perfectly. And so I'm going to leave it like that. But on step 9, I usually use my own custom body adjustments, okay? And then step 10, add face animation. I can either go with a very advanced animation, or in this case, I'm going to use the puppet face animator. I'm going to click on it. I'm on frame 1, and the preset I'm going to use is happy. Okay, let me practice a little bit. I'm going to hit space, and he's going to be like this. No, he's going to start like this. Sweet. And then he's going to remain happy like this. Okay? And then record. I put the mouse in the center of the screen and then hit space, and I'm gonna move the mouse down really quick, okay?
Sweet!
How easy does it sound to
There you go. That's it. Very easy. I'm done. I'm the one done with the face. Look.
Sweet!
How easy does it
You see, very cool.
Sweet!
How easy does it sound?
Very nice. That's step 10, the face animation. Now, step 11, I'm not gonna apply it here, but on step 11 is when I animate the props. If I have characters picking up objects or throwing things, I would animate those props or objects. And then step 12, animate the camera movements. So I'm gonna go to frame 1, and then I'm going to hide this. I don't want to see it. And then show the camera. Okay, I only have one keyframe. Let me activate it. Right now, if I move, I won't be affecting anything because I'm on the working camera. So let me activate it. Now, every movement I do is going to add keyframes to the camera. Okay, let me zoom out. And the shot is going to start around here. Okay, and then at the end to the last frame, and then I'm just gonna do a dolly in. Let's see it.
Sweet!
How easy does it sound to
Sweet!
How
Whoops, something's happening. He has his mouth closed. Let me see if I can fix that. I'm gonna select him and then, no, not motion, face. Then voice clip. Let's see what's happening. I do have none.
How easy does it sound to
Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to break the clip. Let me show you how you can do that. This is the clip, okay? The puppet clip. No, it's not the puppet clip. Is this one. I'm going to break this clip, and in here, I can just press Control B, and that breaks it. I can just select it and delete it. And that's it.
How easy
There you go. Now it's working.
How easy does it sound?
Okay? So this is a neat shortcut. When you select a clip, you can press Ctrl B and you break it. Okay, like this. Let me undo. And now we have the animation.
Sweet!
How easy does it sound?
Okay, great. Now you can animate your own scenes by following the steps in this lesson. Whenever you are having doubts, you can always come back to this lesson and check the steps again. Nice. That's it for this lesson. Now, in the next one, we will be putting everything together, all the animated scenes, to create the final animation. See you there.